Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and in this video I'll show you how you can use Spyvio to spy on your competitors' emails, ads, as well as funnels. So I'm in the area where we have a ton of ads and emails and sequences that we have already collected. We're starting to collect funnels as well because it's a new feature, and here's how this works. You go to inbox and you're able to grab an email address from us, which is this one, and sign up to any list that you want, and then we start collecting those emails. So as you can see, we've been collecting a ton of emails, about 200 different sequences here, and we've been collecting a lot of emails from Ben Settle, and as you can see, we have a ton of different emails here. We can also see exactly how often he sends these emails. So you can see it's almost about every 12 hours where he's sending an email. It changes though, and this gives you a very clear timeline as to when emails are sent. You can take any email that you want and you can do some cool things with it. So you can, for example, edit that email. So once you edit that email, you can remove some things, of course, remove anything that doesn't pertain to you, change it as you want, create spaces and whatnot, save a copy. And again, if you have Mailvio, you can also push this straight to Mailvio as well. Now that's the email spy feature with an additional hidden trick where you can get leads of all these people that are mailing you. So all these people that are sending you emails, you can grab these leads and you can send them prospecting emails. You can tell them, hey, your emails don't look very good. How about I use ClickVio to make them look awesome? Now you can do a very similar thing with ads as well. We give you a Chrome extension. Anytime you come across ads on, say, Facebook or Google, you can just go ahead, capture those ads, and you can also add some entries for it. So that way you know exactly what you're capturing. We're not bringing you some old junky information, but you collect all this information, which is then later easily accessible for you. Of course, in our case, when you get the library as well, we are going to give you a lot of done for you ads and pre-collected emails as well. Now, a recent feature that's been added is the ability to spy on funnels as well. So if I want to spy on a funnel, all I have to do is click on this button and I can put in a funnel URL. There you go. So as you can see, we have all these different pages inside this funnel, and I can look at them. I can do what I want with them. It gives me a preview, but I can also then just check them out and perhaps use them in my own business as well. If you want to see a full version, you can see the full version like this as well. So really powerful software that will help you grab emails, ads, and funnels from your competitors. Depending on the version you get, you also get access to a library, which, as I just showed you, has a ton of different sequences and ads at the moment. Over 10,000 different assets already included in the Done For You library. That's Spyvio, really awesome software that you can't do without if you're serious about building an online business.